WordPress has so many plugins, it's hard to decide which one's best. How do you know which one's really going to help things and which one's only going to make things harder? Hey there, I'm Danielle, web and graphic designer, bringing you tech tips and tutorials to help you stand out from the crowd. Login Press is a great way to just kind of beautify and customize your login screen. It does offer some paid features. One of them is the ability to change your login URL, and this is a great security feature. Even just the free features are great. It's always fun to see a pretty login screen. And this one is mostly aesthetics, but I like that it's also functional and it has a security feature option built into it, making it more than just something pretty to look at. Enhanced Media Library is a great way, it's a great plugin to just organize your images and all your files, because as time goes on, you're going to end up getting a lot of either images, Pinterest images, freebie files if you upload those to your site, various things, and over time each post can build up. So this is a great way to kind of categorize them. The cool part is that you can categorize your images by anything you see fit. And the other cool thing that you can do is make parent and child categories. So you can set a parent category for all your posts or each type of subcategory of your posts. And then you can list your posts as child categories of that parent, so you can nest them, making it even easier to find things. There is no limit to the categories that you can make as well. And when you add this plugin, you'll see this media categories pops up under your media section, and that's where you go to add your categories. So one of the cool things is that this works if you have a bunch of existing images already. It doesn't go changing any of those locations of the images, so you're not going to have to go back and update them. You can simply just add this category and it updates. And the way you can go find your images in your media library, you'll see this drop-down category, and it will show you just how they are nested. And you can click on any of these and it will show you your images linked to only that section that you have them under. So the Coming Soon page and Maintenance Mode by SeedProd is a great plugin to set up your Coming Soon page, or if you're in the need to do some updates and just wanting to prevent people from seeing the unfinished project. And if you're looking to set up a Coming Soon page, I've got a tutorial that I will link down below that you can check out. It walks you through how to set up the Coming Soon page plugin and how to add an email form to opt in to start growing your email list right from the get-go. So the next one is Tasty Pins. And I know that this one is a paid plugin, but it is so worth the money and has made my life so much easier just when it comes to Pinterest. So when you add Tasty Pins to your site, what you'll find is this box down below here at the bottom of your post. And this is where you set your Pinterest hidden images. So the cool part is that you can add your image to this list here, and it's not going to show visually in your post, but it will still be linked to that page. And the best part is it gives you this box for Pinterest text that you can add right here. My other favorite part is all of those extra steps to your tutorial that you might have on that post that you don't really want pinned to Pinterest because they don't have any text on there. You can prevent those from being pinned in the first place. When you do that, when you go to add an image, or you can edit if you forgot, it adds this box, disable pinning. You just check that. And when someone goes to pin your post on Pinterest, it will only show your Pinterest images that you've set to show. So this plugin is called Related Posts by Taxonomy, and this is a powerful little plugin. Obviously, it's for related posts, and it's very powerful in that it doesn't slow down your site. It's not a large plugin that has a whole bunch of features. It's minimal code made to keep it running smooth. It does have a bit of a learning curve. There's a way to edit your files to have it update them automatically on all posts, or you can manually add it with shortcode. One cool feature is that it does give you more control over what related posts it shows to your readers when they're on that post of yours. If you want to grab your free checklist for the plugins, go ahead and check out the link in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.